If your morning erections are getting weaker, there's an easy 10-second trick you can do before you even get out of bed. Surprisingly, most of my male patients over 40 didn't even know such a simple method existed. I'm sure you'll be just as amazed by how easy it is and how quickly you can notice a difference once you try it. I'm Dr. Laura, a board-certified urologist with over a decade helping men regain their confidence. If you'd like to join our growing community, feel free to follow the channel. And don't forget to tell me where you're watching from in the comments. Now, here's something most men don't know. Your body doesn't lose morning hardness just because of age. It's because the pelvic floor and lower belly blood vessels stay half asleep when you wake up. How you get out of bed decides whether blood flow switches on or stays off. Let me tell you something funny. Last week, a viewer commented, "Doc, I wake up, stand up, and my hardness stays in bed." Honestly, that's exactly how millions of men feel. Here's why. The second most men open their eyes, they jump out of bed like someone lit a fire under them. But when you do that, your pelvic floor is still half frozen. Your diaphragm is still asleep, and your blood flow is basically saying, "Bro, give me a second." So, before your feet even touch the floor, you've already shut off the one mechanism that creates morning hardness. And this is why the 10-second trick works. You're basically turning the switch back on before your body has a chance to mess it up. All right, here's the part every man gets excited about. The actual 10-second trick. It's so simple that most men laugh the first time they try it until they notice the results. Here's what you do the moment your eyes open. Before you move, sit up, or even check your phone, gently squeeze your pelvic floor. Hold it for 3 seconds, then release. Take one slow breath that fills your lower belly. Don't just do it once. Repeat this cycle 5 times. 5 squeezes, 5 breaths. That's your entire morning warm-up. Most men are shocked because it feels like almost nothing. Yet the change in blood flow is real. Think of it like warming up your car engine for 10 seconds before driving. You're giving your system a moment to open up instead of jolting it awake. Before we finish, here's a tiny bonus tip my patients love. If you want this 10-second trick to work even better, do a simple 15-second relaxation before bed. Nothing fancy. You don't need to stretch like a gymnast. Just lie down, straighten your legs, and let your lower belly relax. This tells your pelvic floor it can unwind. So when you wake up, blood vessels open much faster. The interesting part? Men who combine this night relaxation with the morning activation often feel a difference within the same week. Some even message me saying, "Doc, why didn't anyone tell me this sooner?" Well, now you know. If this video helped you, tell me where you're watching from. I love hearing from men all over the world: India, Nigeria, the US, the UK, South Africa. Your comments always surprise me. And if you want more practical tips you can use today, you're welcome to join our growing community by subscribing. Now, before you go, if you want to see the one pressure point that gives full hardness, even after 70, I'm putting that video right here.